concept car or is this a main car?
Sounds like it's a concept.
Huh?
Sounds like it's a concept, man. I don't know. Let's go from front. See this shit from front. Exactly what the fuck it is.